Alright guys, here's my king snake eating. Poor little baby mouse. He is eating a pinky right now. This is a pretty cool picture. Damn! Look at that. His head is like the size of my finger. Oh yeah, and Zeus, my crested gecko, isn't for sale anymore. He got sold.
Dude, Chase, that's it for...
Oh, sorry, my sisters are over here watching too. He's nom-nom-nomming.
Die.
Oh! Oh!
What?
Oh my gosh! There goes all his guts. Look at Zeus's face, he's kind of scared.
You don't want his tail falling off.
Yep, he almost has him. That.
Zeus really wants to see it.
There's blood all over my snake now. You almost got him, dude.
Dude. Adele, shut up. Oh my goodness.
Here goes his final processes of eating. He's so fat right now.
That is the blood in your snake.
I can see it going down his throat.
Wait, he's gagging on something.
Look.
He's regurgitating.
Gross.
Oh shit.
If you even poo or growl. How do they poo? How does they
Oh, he's getting the blood off of his head. Look at this bloody mess.
Oh, look at him carpet.
It's alright, we can wipe it up. Look at that. Look at all that pig little bloody mess. Can't even tell that it's in his stomach anymore.
I see it.
Where is it? I think it's like right there.
Right there. Very close to the blood. Right there.
Oh, right there.
Yep.
there's the... Wait, there he is right there. There's the mouse. Right there. Alright, let's see if we'll eat another. Look, it's fucking guys.
You're almost supposed to be on side.
Oh my gosh! It's not like he's gonna do anything. It's like a very friendly snake. I think he's about ready to go for this one too. Yep. Wait, yeah, he's going for it. Yeah, he's trying to get somewhere on him. He's like... Nope, he's going for him.
Baby, so that daddy.
He needs to go to face first.
What?
Let me get that small one. Wait, no, this is the biggest one. Oh no, he's just trying to curl around him. What is he doing now? Trying to curl around him, or is he trying to eat him?
Zeus really wants to see.
Alright, well, bye guys, I guess. Bye-bye.